Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got one question for you. What's freaking cooking? Well, I can tell you what's gonna be cooking in the real kitchen, Daddy's kitchen tonight. I'm gonna do some what? Some mac with some cheese, baby. Gonna do some mac and cheese tonight, baby. I'm gonna do it all in my Ninja Foodi. I already got started on you before I hit the switch today because I got my water boiling. So I'm gonna drop my noodles into my water and I'll be right back at you. So to get started with this mac and cheese, I got my water boiling over here, and what I'm gonna do is just drop these noodles into the water. Drop them in water. Give me a spoon here. I'm gonna loosen them up and stir them up a little bit. Just like that. I'm gonna wait for these noodles to pop off, and then I'm gonna go to the next step. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, the noodles are ready. I've already taken them off the stove. I drained the water out of them. I got them in my pot. Very simple process on that. In order to make this simple mac and cheese on my budget, I do a couple quick things. And the ingredients that I have here is very simple. I got some Parmesan cheese. I got a mixed blend cheese. I got me some Italian breadcrumbs, some pepper, some salt, got an egg, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix it up, I'm gonna throw my egg in there. We're gonna do 1 bag of Parmesan cheese in here. So just pour the whole bag in here. Remember, this is my mac with a lot of cheese, not mac with a little cheese. So now I'm just gonna stir this up. You don't want to have your mac and cheese to be dry. You want to make sure you stir it up real good. Got some pepper. Now you can do your pepper and your salt to your taste once again. I'll put a recipe out there for you to use, but what I usually do, like grandma, I do it to taste. Mix it in real good. I got my little blend cheese here. About a cup of that. Now, one of the things I did not say earlier that I should have mentioned to you guys, that we need some chopped cheddar cheese also. I'm sorry about that, but we need to have some chopped cheddar cheese. I've got to add that in that ingredient. Put about a cup of that in there. Shake it up real good. I'm gonna stir this up some more. Oh, it's looking really good now. It's getting really thick. Cheese is starting to melt some. Add a little bit more sharp in here. Mac with a lot of cheese. Mac with a lot of cheese. I probably have maybe 2 cups of the cheddar cheese. So what I want to do is, when I bake this in the Ninja Foodi, we're going to finish it up in that. And I don't want it to be already totally melted yet. I want the flavor to simmer into. I want the cheese to go into the noodles and really simmer the flavor of the cheese and the macaroni together with the heavy cream and with the salt and pepper blend. Okay, guys, one of the things that Kitchen Daddy has to do here is that I have to taste it. Good flavor in that. Woo. Have my little pan here. This pan did not come with my Ninja Foodi, so I have to tell you guys. Typically, if you look at the recipe book in Ninja Foodi, they go ahead and put all the mac and cheese into this container right here, into the pressure cooker container or that main container. I'm not gonna use this dish for the mac and cheese. I'll put my mac and cheese in this little container right here, so I want it to be confined there. So let's dip it into the container. Nice and cheesy. Nice and cheesy. Nice and cheesy. You guys can smell this right now. Whoa. Spread it out evenly as possible. I'm gonna add some Italian breadcrumbs here. Let's move it around. Move your bowl around like this. Get it in there. And what's gonna happen is, this is gonna give your mac and cheese that hard, crusty flavor on top, or texture on top of your mac and cheese. After we put the Italian breadcrumbs in there, we're gonna put the mac and cheese inside the Ninja Foodi. We're gonna shut the lid here. And hit start. I'll see you guys back in 7 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. 7 minutes is gone. Just pop the lid on the mac and cheese. As you can see, look at that top. Nice and brown. Nice and brown, you hear it? Nice and brown and crispy. Let's do a little simple taste test. Let's see if it's ready. Let me just get a corner here. Look at that cheesiness. Ooh. Look at that mac with a lot of cheese. It's hot. I'm gonna try to taste it for you before I really spoon into it. You guys seen me do this before. That's really some good mac and cheese. Come back over, I'm gonna let you see me dip into it so you can see it's moist throughout. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Easy to do. Easy to do. The real kitchen daddy mac with a lot of cheese. It's a lot of cheese here, but it's really simple to do. And I tell you, once again, you look at it, it's delicious. It's really good. Really good. So, single dad, making simple meals on a budget for the kids. Take care. Peace.